This slab is equivalent to 5 fully loaded Airbus A380 aeroplanes, which is also equivalent to 688 elephants. Today we're pouring our second level 2 transfer slab. So in this pour there's approximately 1,100 metres cubed of concrete and 227 tonnes of steel.
So we have to sit down with the subcontractors to see how many trucks that we need, what's the concrete volume for this pour, and how long this is going to take. And we've decided that we can manage around 18 trucks per hour, and we have to utilise 3 locations as a waiting bay and get them all on cycles and get ready for the biggest concrete pour that we've had on the job.
So the slab that's being poured today will become the base structure of the social housing building, which will house 70 social housing units across 9 levels for the New South Wales Land and Housing Corporation.